hear the sound. I hear the sound. A cacophony in my head. I hear the sound. I hear what it said. It pulls me down, drowning me out, screaming inside my ears like glacier spears. It fractures time, cuts through the line. Every thought I try to keep, now it's buried underneath, dragging me through the sound that lives inside me. That noise is all I hear. Every whisper turns to static, every breath becomes erratic. I try to reason, try to cope, but it snaps the spine of hope. It's a cacophony, it's a monstrosity. It pushes me consciously, breaking my philosophy. It's a symphony of agony, falling clarity. It rewrites me constantly, breaking my philosophy. Holding tight to what is said, pull the sound with a thread and tying it down so I don't drown. Dragging me through the sound that lives inside me. That noise is all I hear. Every silence turns on me, every calm is counterfeit. I chase the quiet endlessly, but it never comes to rest. It knows my name, it knows my fear. It waits until the coast is clear, then it speaks in perfect tone to remind me I'm alone. Am I? Am I? Am I? It won't stop, it won't bend. It won't. I close my eyes, still it screams, bleeds through cracks and everything. I bite my tongue, swallow doubt, but it always finds a way out. It sinks my pulse to its demand, like a weapon in my hand. I don't know if I'm in control or if it's wearing my soul. Trying to hide from the sound, it bleeds through you, flows into me too, pushing me to the ground. It's a cacophony, it's a monstrosity. It pushes me consciously, breaking my philosophy. It's a symphony of agony, cold ferocity. It reshapes me violently, breaking my philosophy. Pull it tight, don't let it fray. If I lose it, I might break away. Hold it down so I don't drown. Every word it ever said, carved its echo in my head. Truth or lie, I can't decide. When it speaks, I can't deny. If I let go, I disappear. If I listen, it gets clear. I don't know which choice is worse. Silence feels like a curse. It's a cacophony, it's a monstrosity. It pushes me consciously, breaking my philosophy. It's a cacophony, it's a monstrosity. It remakes me violently, breaking my philosophy. Dragging me through the sound that lives inside me. That noise is all I hear. I hear the sound, still ringing in my head. I hear the sound. I am what it said.